learning wireframing, prototyping, and user interface (UI) design. The module Graphic Design and Multimedia Fundamentals, learning wireframing, prototyping, and user interface (UI) design focuses on essential concepts and skills necessary for creating effective user interfaces and multimedia designs. This module is critical in the field of graphic design and multimedia as it forms the foundation for designing user-centered, visually appealing, and functional digital products. 1. Introduction to Graphic Design and Multimedia. Overview. Understand the role and significance of graphic design and multimedia in modern digital experiences. Historical context. Explore the evolution and historical milestones of graphic design and multimedia. 2. Fundamentals of design principles. Composition and layout. Learn how to arrange elements in a design to create visual harmony and balance. Color theory. Understand the psychology and application of colors in design to evoke desired emotions and responses. Typography. Learn about fonts, typefaces, and how to use them effectively to enhance readability and convey the message. 3. Wireframing. Definition and purpose. Understand what wireframing is and its significance in the design process. Wireframing tools. Learn to use industry-standard tools to create wireframes that serve as the structural blueprint of a digital product. Hierarchy and layout. Focus on arranging elements and establishing content hierarchy in wireframes to guide the user's journey. 4. Prototyping. Prototyping importance. Understand the role of prototyping in designing interactive and functional user interfaces. Prototyping tools. Learn to use prototyping tools to create interactive models that showcase the user flow and functionality of the product. User testing and feedback. Utilize prototypes for user testing to gather valuable feedback for iteration and improvement. 5. User interface (UI) design. UI design principles. Understand the principles of creating intuitive, visually pleasing interfaces that enhance user experience. Visual elements. Learn about buttons, icons, navigation, and other UI elements and how to design them effectively. Responsive design. Understand how to design for various screen sizes and devices to ensure a consistent experience across platforms. 6. Integration and project work. Project-based learning. Apply the knowledge gained throughout the module to create wireframes, prototypes, and UI designs for real-world projects. Collaboration. Understand how to work collaboratively in a team, adhering to design guidelines and achieving project objectives. 7. Emerging trends and technologies. Current trends. Explore the latest trends and advancements in graphic design and multimedia to stay updated with the industry. AR/VR and AI integration. Understand how technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence are influencing design. 8. Final presentation and portfolio building. Portfolio development. Compile and present the projects completed during the module in a professional and visually appealing portfolio. Presentation skills. Learn how to effectively present and showcase designs to peers and potential employers. This module equips learners with the foundational knowledge and skills necessary to excel in the dynamic field of graphic design and multimedia, preparing them for a career in creating compelling digital experiences.